Now we are introducing Stephanie. Stephanie is a junior majoring in psychology with a biology and chemistry minor and is also part of the Reaud Honors College. Stephanie will tell us all about the opportunities there are for students to excel to the next level. Take it away, Stephanie.
Hey guys, growing up 15 minutes away from Lamar University, I had always heard of it, but I didn't know all the amazing opportunities that it provided. The second I walked onto campus, I instantly felt welcomed and accepted, a feeling I knew I wouldn't get anywhere else. I came into Lamar University as a presidential scholar and a part of the Reaud Honors College. The Honors College has almost 500 students enrolled, which is not surprising since it provides so many benefits. My first year here, I didn't know what I wanted to pursue, but I knew it was in healthcare. Thankfully, I was immersed with other honors students who helped me find my passion. As an honors student, I am provided student-focused professors and surrounded by multiple student organizations led by my peers. My first semester here, I became a founding officer of the new organization, Lamar University's Hispanic Society, which was led by all honors students and still continues to grow on campus. Lamar University's Honors College ensures that each one of us has a path to success, offering multiple different pathways for your future plans and goals. Through the college's mentor program, which I help coordinate, I've had the opportunity to connect with multiple honors alumni that are more than committed to offer advice on personal and professional growth. By being a part of the Honors College, I have been able to meet so many ambitious students who help me push myself to become a better leader and person. The close-knit family atmosphere that you're able to create here at Lamar University is what I would say is impeccable. Well, that's all from me. Back to you, Alex.
Great job, Stephanie, and thanks for sharing your own experience as a student of the Reaud Honors College. Great job being a founding member of the Lamar Hispanic Society. It really sounds like the Honors College has given you a number of resources to be successful, and that is awesome. Thanks, Stephanie.